This video is powered by Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Hold a second, guys. After you, we're going to take a little break and then another set one rev, alright? Alright, go ahead now. Alright. No, hold on. We'll take a little break. Too much dust. Hold on, here. Hold a second.
Alright, listen guys. This is a single camera? Yes. But this is not just an ordinary single cam engine. This one is fully built. When I say fully built, the engine itself has a lot of performance parts inside of it.
And it has like a horsepower, like a Ferrari.
Horsepower, where we tune the car and build power with it.
Exactly. So it's like the power is basically built in the car.
No, we put the power in there.
So like you hook up the engine. So this is what type of engine? A V8?
No, it's a single cam.
It's a four-cylinder engine.
You hook up the engine to something and you just like rev it.
What we do, we take out the stock parts out of the engine and put performance parts in there.
It's not.
Right? And then we have this thing called...
Did you dyno test this?
This is actually a... Yes.
Yeah, did you dyno test?
But this is a turbocharged car, not a supercharged.
I told you!
And
So you dyno test it, what is peak HP?
this one?
Yeah, what's the peak HP?
600.
Oh. So what
They know.
So what kind of engine are these?
And that's a B series, and that's a E engine.
And the last one is the...
K, that's a K, right? K, a K24.
I know. I saw the red turbo in that one. Yeah. This engine done more rev this back up again and again.
Guys, listen. Alright, you can listen to me first. You have to understand. Cars ain't for just guys alone. You have ladies that love cars also. So listen to what I'm saying. You have to give everybody a chance. Everybody going to get a chance. Not to drive today. When how old are you?
I'm 12. I'm 11. Same.
Alright, so let me tell you something. You see, whenever you guys reach 17, if I'm still in Jamaica, I'll give you guys a driver for this car. Alright?
So how will you drive?
You guys will find.
I will run
Alright? Don't worry yourself, you will find.
the steering. Wait.
Alright, so you see we have Mojo here, we have Troy, we have Dominic as well. Other guys are on their way, but for now it's just us four. Yeah man, and the vibe as usual is great. Always great to see how these kids get excited about cars, you know?
I like the engine especially. The engine especially. The steering. I like the car.
Wait, does the horn work?
No, not in this one.
So, sir, is that like the boost? That,
Controller?
yeah, the boost.
Where's the
Yeah, no, don't touch those, don't touch those. But they're
Where's the knife?
This one, let me show you. This thing.
that one. Alright, so each one of those has a function. So one is like for starting, one is like for switching.
Neutral and like speed.
No, one is for like switching between race gas and pump gas.
I'm asking about if you have like the one where you pull and like the flame comes out the back, make the car go like more natural.
No,
Yeah.
this is why when I'm explaining to you, you have to listen that you can understand. This is a turbocharged vehicle. Alright, this don't use nitro. The tank that you're looking at right here, that is a fuel cell. That's where you put the gas into. Alright?
I knew that.
That's a gas tank, basically. For a race car, these are what we use as our fuel cell.
You guys strip the car.
This car, that red switch over there is what switch on the ignition. Alright?
Turn the car.
And the second one is for my fuel tank. Right? And the red button, that's the one right there, that's the one that you press to turn the vehicle on.
So did you all
These two that you see at the end here, one is for high boost, and the other one is to switch my map from regular pump gas to race gas.
did you all take out everything from out of the car? So the car would be light.
Yes, this was a regular vehicle, so we convert a regular vehicle into a race car.
Sir, me not lie. This one yeah, better than all the three.
Oh God. This build actually take to do what we've done to this car take at least a year. You know, sometimes it take longer.
And is that constantly?
No, it's not like
Right.
constantly 1 year, but
You're one of the
it
race
takes 1 year for us to do this work on this car.
can do a donut.
Not with this car. This is a drag.
You're going to drag it out when you're going away, right?
I'm gonna drive it out, not drag it. There's no way here for me to do that.
Want to put it on the steering now? I want to touch it. Alright, let's go. Ready? Are you ready? I might actually move the car. Ready? Look at me now.
Where are you guys heading? Where are you guys heading?
Straight to Australia.
Australia.
So we go so fast to drive.
That's his car.
Which one is your car?
That one.
So why you can't start it?
We soon start it as soon as you're finished inside.
I want to hear it slow.
Don't worry, sir. We'll soon start it back.
They dust them. Sir? No, business. No, I want to feel. I didn't see it. Wait, it's like that car right there. A little bit of gear.
Alright. See another race here.
Alright. Huh? No man, just give it a few minutes, make it cool down first. Yes sir. Yeah man, I hear you now.
Get big and get rich. Can buy all of them.
Of course.
Yeah, wait.
Well, then, man, you guys need to do this more often, you know. So keep career day every month.
Every month.
so not only the students, but like civilians, teachers, you know.
Yeah.
Professionals can learn about vehicles overall. But remember, not many of us get the chance to go to a drag race or a race
event. True.
Right. So going out and teaching the students about these things, showing them different professions, you know. because we have a lot of careers here, but not many students know that they can be a mechanic or a race car driver. So going out and edifying and educating the students, that would be very necessary. Yeah, man, and I appreciate you guys coming in today, man.
Nice.
Because I'm learning a lot about wheels and I mean I drive but
you never
I never know these things.
The thing is, in the automotive industry, you have different
fields.
technicians, different fields, different departments. Like the electrical system of the vehicle, that's a different guy. The mechanical part is a different guy. The body man and the spray man, that's different. That's the look at the vehicle.
Right. And when you start to go race now, like modifying the car, you have like a tuner. So
mechanical, electrical, a tuner,
right?
You have different garages. But here you have garages here in Outreach where it's just a one-stop shop. You have one guy that does everything.
Right. Right.
Yeah, man. The fabrication, the welding, the electrical, the mechanical, the bodywork, the spraying, everything to customize your car or a regular domestic car. Just service it.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Because what I think
we can give you a little tip to make a little Honda fit and
definitely, because one of the things that I was saying to you guys, not many people get the chance to go to a driving school. I think they're not advertised much.
Yeah.
And I think right now in today's world, every career they're just in a little corner by themselves.
Yeah, for real.
So I've never seen a car like this.
Yeah.
I've never seen a car like this.
Interesting.
If I even see something, if I even see it, it's just like the outside of it because you just drive car.
There's okay.
Nowhere
to see close up, seeing the engine bay and all that. Okay.
Unless we come to the racetrack, which not everybody.
And you see, Dominic, we take that for granted because we see these cars every day. You know.
Yeah.
But cool.
This is a fully modified car. Fully street car, racing car. If you can look inside that blue tank there, that's a gas tank. Gas tank. That's a gas tank. Regular car, you don't see the gas tank.
So when
that's a gas tank right here.
This is the muffler. This is
alright, so teach me about some of the stuff in what's the name of it?
Ricardo, this is the muffler we make the car sound louder and better.
Okay.
And this is the turbo engine. The
Okay.
intake. The intake.
Yes, so that's the intake.
Wait. And there's one more.
Show me the intake again.
Here.
Okay, good.
And there's one more part. Anytime when you're starting the car, the car sends something to the engine that cause flames and electricity to the battery, and the car starts up and the engine and the next thing flames comes up and the stuff starts up and down.
Okay, so that's a combustion in the combustion chamber, which is in this part of the engine.
Exactly.
Yes.
What makes the car go more faster. I saw it on YouTube.
Oh,
That means this is the cooler.
Yes, it cools the car down. This is the
which cooler?
So as you said, you have.
Right, so this is
As you said,
actually
you have to take out the whole engine for oil change.
no. You don't have to take out the
you just
engine.
drain it
There is
and next thing
that's not where you drain it
Drain it from the bottom.
Right.
Yeah, drain it from the bottom,
Right.
and next thing you take off this and put
to
oil.
pour in new oil. Right.
How long does it take the engine to cool?
Huh?
How long does it take the engine to cool?
The engine to cool?
Yeah.
A couple hours.
Huh?
Oh, so how long have we been waiting here?
Maybe just an hour.
Because the engine was
Sir,
really
how
bad.
can you tell if
Even sometimes it might be cool.
It's warm.
It might be cool to the touch, but the material, right, it still has.
You know, like anytime people like have a muffler at the back and they like put it a stake in the foil and just tie it to the muffler and they like
Really?
Yeah, I saw a guy on YouTube doing it.
That's
how you do.
go-karts.
that's go-kart.
Not go kart and sports car too.
Bruh, they would have so much dust on it.
All right, so I mean,
The
just
one
real
here,
quick.
the engine here that's the most creative has to be the Toyota.
one.
The Toyota is.
Oh, why you say it's more creative?
You know why
Tell
it's
me.
more? Or it could be this one.
Or this one?
These and this and this. And
Okay.
this one has the
Creative in what way though?
There's a Gatorade
bottle
in the car where
I
it's
think it's-
connect to something.
Okay, alright. So
Use
don't
to
no, so
on.
don't no. Don't touch, don't touch.
Put it
Put it back in down.
Yes, don't touch. Alright guys. So alright, what can you identify on this
Wait, I
engine?
have a question. I
on
have a
this
question.
engine.
Alright, 1 second.
mean,
Let's hear the
this is
question.
open.
Alright, 1 second. Let's hear the question first.
What is the Gatorade bottle filled up?
Alright, so it serves as an overflow bottle at the moment. So it's just a little modification for the time being. It's not the original overflow bottle, obviously, but it serves a purpose right now.
So I have my question now.
Yes, sir.
Why? What makes? Wait. So does the bigger the engine, the more horsepower or more stronger the engine is, or depending on how much cylinders are in the engine?
Well, yes, that has to go back to the size, you know, how big the engine is. So yes, the bigger the engine, the faster it is. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
So that means this would be the fastest one here, or it's
Well,
it's that one over
not
there.
bigger in terms of physical size, but in terms of like displacement.
Oh.
So excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did y'all like take this part off and dip it in like something, like spray paint to make it get like this color?
We took it off and just did some designs. Like put,
Yeah, that's what I was asking about.
Did you put tape over some parts and then spray painted it on?
pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, that bun up.
Yep.
So
pretty
one of these cars cool down by now?
One of them wear cooler man now.
So why you want it to cool down?
You rev, I'm on the rev.
The reason I wasn't down here earlier because
We were in the computer room.
Alright, don't worry. You guys are gonna get a chance to rev it shortly, alright?
cool down, sir. Cool down, yes.
No, the car then still a cool down.
Sir, 2 o'clock. I don't know yet. Oh my God, can't come in now.
Alright, so day 2. We are at St. John's Prep. Careers Day. And yeah, a couple of us came out today. Yeah. And we're here holding a little vibe. The guys are playing football in the background.
What are the details of your start, guys? Are you win the race?
You look scary. Yeah, girl. Guys, go, girl.
Alright. Next person. Bishop looking at camera.
Bishop.
Hold the steering, Papa.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Can you let me, please? Please.
Not no. When the time is right.
Hello? Listen to Mr. Troy.
Alright guys, good afternoon.
Troy, would you like a napkin?
Alright, so I see you guys like cars. Boys, so girls don't like cars too?
They can't drive.
Certain cars, what type of car do you like?
Can't drive, sir.
You like G-Wagon?
Lamborghini. Supra. Who's a Supra?
Supra, me and him, Supra. GTR, sir, GTR, BMW, Supra.
You know me?
Great far.
Yes. Alright guys, so listen. There's a lot of things that you have to learn. It's not just having a car, you know. You have to think about safety, which is safety first. You understand? And the main thing is, first thing you gotta listen, number one. Not just coming to school, but at the end of the day, you know, listen to your parents is one, and you have to obey. Because if you can't obey your parents, you can't obey the rules on the road. You understand? And if you can't obey your parents, it makes no sense, right? So if your parents say to you, do not drive today, what are you gonna do?
Not drive.
Exactly. So if you start from your home, school, you have to listen to what the teacher says. You understand? That's the greatest thing about, you know, being where you want to be in life. You understand? And next thing I want to tell you guys is that schoolwork, you have to take in your lessons. These cars are very nice, right? You like it, right? You wanna hear them rev and stuff like that.
Yes,
but guess what? That's all you wanna hear. But for me to rev these cars, it takes a lot of money. You understand? In order for you to come by the money, you have to start at home. As I said, listen to your parents, listen to the teacher, and whatever the teacher is teaching, you take in your lessons so that you can get a good job when you left school, that you can buy a car. You understand? That's how I get the money. I have to listen, number one, and I have to obey. You understand? Just like when you see the stop sign said stop, what do you do?
Stop.
Alright, that's called what? Obeying the stop sign. You understand? So at the end of the day, we start there. Okay? So we don't just get up, find money on the ground, buy cars and just drive. We have to start somewhere. We have to listen and obey and follow rules. You understand? That's where it is. So if I said to you guys that, listen, it's nice to hear these cars rev, but I'm not gonna rev it today anymore, what would you say?
Okay.
That's wonderful. No, you must learn to obey. You see, that is what I'm trying to teach you. You understand? You have to learn to obey and listen to what your elder said to you. Alright? Yes, it's fun for you to drive a car, but if you don't follow the rules of driving a vehicle, you're gonna be in what? Big trouble. Alright? So guys, first thing you have to do is listen and obey. Alright?
How fast is the car?
How fast is this car? It's very fast. Very fast.
Very, very fast.
This, it can actually go 10 seconds and a quarter mile. You can tell? Well, this is one of the fastest cars in Jamaica right now. They are very fast also. Yes. Any questions? You? Have any questions? You?
Engine is in.
It's a single cam engine, but not just a regular single cam. It's an engine that is fully built. Alright? So when I said fully built is that the parts that come in the engine from factory, we remove it and we put performance parts in there.
Upgraded parts.
Yes. If it comes with one seat, actually this car came with 3 seats. It was a fully
Interior, everything was
car,
inside.
But at the end of the day, we turned it into a race car. It was a regular car. We turned it into a race car, so we changed it and put it, you know, adjust it like this.
One seat.
One is right here.
The muffler. Just let the girls go up
This is where we wrap up for another career day. Definitely a pleasure. Thanks to the students, staff, you know, everybody involved from the St. John's Prep School. We're signing out, big up, and we look forward to seeing you at another careers day, all right?
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.
Gotcha.